Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you on displaying your game activity on Discord. Also, if privacy is your thing, I'll walk you through hiding it. Let's jump right in. Firstly, on Discord sidebar, you can spot your game activity status. To begin, go to the bottom and click the settings cog next to your name. Subsequently, navigate to the activity privacy section. Here's the trick. Make sure display current activity as a status message is turned on. For clarity, turning this off means Discord won't show any game you're currently playing. If by chance your game doesn't pop up, fear not. Simply scroll down to Registered Games. From there, you can manually add your game. In conclusion, there you go. A quick and simple way to manage your game status on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.